you hit the chat, tell all your girls. I'm scared to ask if we the last time.
Hey threadies, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making that palazzo trousers you saw in the thumbnail, and for that we'll be using 2 yards of this crepe fabric here, an elastic band, a pair of scissors, and a pattern we drafted in a previous video for our trousers. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Now I'm going to cut out the pieces, 2 each for front and back, using my pattern. Now if you've watched the pattern making video I posted before this one, you realize that I made a mistake with my pattern, but here I had already cut on fabric before I noticed, so I went ahead to cut more pieces of fabric to join to the pieces I had already cut, and it ended up being a new style, so I'm not even mad. It turned out so well. So here I'm going to grab my back pieces, put them together like so, and join them on the crotch area. I'll also do the same for the front pieces. So this is what I have after joining them. And you guys, like I said, I went ahead to add fabric to the sides each to compensate for my mistakes. So this is what we have. So I'm going to place my pieces right sides facing each other like so, and I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew along the inseams there. So I'll sew from one end to the other, and I'll do the same from one end, from the midpoint there to the other end, after which I'll join them at the sides and we'll come back and attach our elastic. So this is what I have after joining them at the sides. It's already coming together, guys. So let me show you what I have when I turn it to the right side. And this is it. So now we're going to attach our elastic band, and for that I'm going to grab the waistline there and fold it over like so. I'll fold it over again, and I'm going to sew along the edge and in the middle so that I'll get 2 channels for my elastic. After that I'll also go ahead and hem the bottom, and I'll be back. So this is it. I've gone ahead to create the 2 channels like I said. I left a small space to help us guide our elastic through. I've also gone ahead to hem the bottom. So now let's go in with our elastic. I'll go ahead and attach a safety pin to my elastic, after which I'll pass it through the channels we've created. So I'm starting with the top channel. I'll pass it through till I get to the other side, and then I'll sew on top of the elastic to secure it. After which I'll pass the second elastic through the second channel I created, and then we're done. That's basically all for this tutorial. Once again, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.